Hello everyone, this is Revopoint. In the following video series, we will go through and introduce Revo Measure's multiple functions and operations. Meanwhile, we will demonstrate all the functions. In this video, let's first get to know Revo Measure and have a preliminary understanding of its basic interfaces. Revo Measure is a versatile 3D measurement and analysis software developed by Revopoint, meeting various data measurement and analysis requirements. After getting a high-quality 3D model with Revopoint scanning software, you can one-click to jump to Revo Measure for rapid and precise measurement. You can also import CAD models for comparison and deviation analysis to ensure the consistency of design and manufacturing dimensions. After getting an overview of the software, let's take a look at its interfaces. First, it's the software's home page. Click New Measurement to navigate to the measurement interface. Click Open File to open the local files and enter the measurement interface. In the measurement interface, select a file to create a new project file. Open a local project file or save the current file. Click on the Import Scan to import the scan model to be measured. Click on the Import Reference to import the reference model required for measurement. After completing all the measurements, click the Generate Report to convert the current measurement results into a report for saving. Click on the Measure, and you can create features for operations such as GD&T, angle or distance measurement. Click on a comparison, and you can import the reference model for aligning it with the scanned model and analyzing the deviations between them. Click on Display to change the rendering status of the meshed model and CAD model. Click here to return to the home page. At the lower of the page is the Recent Files section, displaying the projects recently opened for quick editing. Next is the File Management interface. Here, you can search or view all the measurement files. You can click here to select the sorting method. Additionally, you can click the plus button at the top left corner to create a new group and organize the project files accordingly. Then, it's the Learning Center interface. Here, you can obtain the software tutorials and user manuals for operation details. Finally, it's the System Settings interface for changing the language and the default storage path. You can also click here to customize the color of the scanned model, the reference model, and more. Click on a software license to check if the software is activated and to confirm its remaining time. In this video, we first introduced the basic interface of Revo Measure to you. In the following episodes, we will explain the main functions and corresponding operations in detail. Please keep following our updates. See you in the next video.